Have you ever noticed that when you're feeling frustrated or stressed, your heart tends to beat faster? This mindful minute technique called belly breathing is a great way to help you calm down. Whenever you do a mindful minute, it's important to breathe slowly, deeply, and gently. Place one hand on your belly and notice what happens when we breathe. Inhale, 2, 3, 4. Hold your breath. 2, 3, 4. Exhale. 2, 3, 4. And hold. 2, 3, 4. Inhale. Hold. Exhale. And hold. How did it feel to pause your breathing? Do you notice your belly rising and falling with your breath? When you do this on your own, you might take several more rounds of breath. I usually find that 4 or 5 rounds works for me. Counting and pausing between inhales and exhales helps to slow your breathing and your heart rate, and that's what helps you feel calmer.